Yes, to see the sum. The sum is Gora and Kala were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of their capitals. The capitals are given 80,000 and 60,000. The firm started business on 1st April 2015. According to partnership deed, interest on capital and drawings are to be charged 12% and 10%. Gora and Kala are to allowed a monthly salary of 2,000 and 3,000 respectively. So it is monthly salary, you have to write down the yearly salary. Okay. So the profit for the year ended, that is the profit of profit and loss account, before making any appropriation, means before making any of the adjustment that we have read about in the above, are 1 lakh and 300. So the drawings of Gora and Kala is also given and interest on drawing is also given. You have to prepare P&L appropriation account. Okay. So see, the format is particular amount, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended is 31st March 2016. Okay, so from the very first we have to write down the profit that was given in the sum. So net profit was 1 lakh and 300. The profit for the year ended 31st March before making any appropriations were 1 lakh and 300. Okay, next we are going to see the firm started business. According to partnership deed, interest on capital is 12%. Okay, so interest on capital would be charged on what? On the capitals. So interest on capital, the partners are Gora and Kala. You can show the working here also, or you can make working note also. Okay, so the capital of Gora is 80,000 and Kala is 60,000, and the interest on capital is 12%. Yes, calculate the percentage and you have to write it here. Okay, next is they are going to get a monthly salary of 2,000 and 3,000 respectively. So to Gora's salary is 2,000 into 12. Okay, because the account is preparing for the whole year, so that is why you have to put it yearly salary. Okay, and the salary of Kala is 3,000 into 12. Okay, 36,000, 24,000 is 9,600 and 7,200. Okay, then what we have to done, they have the drawings of Gora and Kala is 20,000 and 25,000, but you have to do nothing with the drawings. Okay, the interest on drawing is required to us. Okay, we have to charge interest on drawing here of Gora and Kala. So interest on drawing is already calculated. Okay, so it is 4,500. And see, if interest on drawing is not given, okay, so then how we have to calculate it? See, there is a formula for interest on drawing. I'll be discussing this topic in a next video. Okay, let us not discuss it here. So interest on drawing is already calculated. Okay, now you have to done what? All the transactions are almost done. So the total is here 1,48,000. Right, do the total. Okay, and see on which side your difference is coming. If it is coming this side, then it would be profit. If it is coming this side, then it would be loss. Okay, then you have to distribute the profit or losses. The profit is coming 28,000, then you have to distribute it in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, the profit sharing ratio, yes, they have said that Gora and Kala were partners. They were sharing profits in the ratio of their capitals. So the capital ratio is 80,000 and 60,000. So see, how would you calculate this 80,000 and 60,000? 4 and 3. So the ratio would be 4:3. Now see how to divide this. 28,000 into 4 upon 7. Okay, 4 plus 3 7. Same like this, 28,000 into 3 by 7. Okay, so here would come 16,000 and 12,000. Okay, bache, clear with that? If you will be having any doubt, then ask it in the group, and I'll be sending some of the pictures of the sum that would be related to it from your book. You can also try the similar sums with that. Okay.